We'll guide you through how you can use Discord on your PS4. If you guys find this useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get into this guide.
Before we get into the video, I need to mention that you cannot use the Discord application on your PlayStation 4 to get inside of voice calls or talk to your friends, because that is not yet integrated into the PlayStation 4. It is an option only available for PlayStation 5. To access Discord and to be able to send and receive messages on your Discord application, you will need to do the following for your PlayStation 4. First off, scroll to the right until you get inside of the library option right here. Open that up, and when you get into library, you scroll down until you get into the application section right here. Then swipe to the right, and you will get into the internet browser application. We press the start button, and then we get inside of our browser. We use the left analog to select the top URL, the top section, and we select that. And in here we write Discord. After you have written Discord, you press the R2 button. And now we are searching for the Discord website on our PlayStation 4. Here it is at the top. Let's move our cursor using our left analog and select the first link at the top. Now we are redirecting to the discord.com website, where we will be able to access Discord. After we get inside of this page, we scroll to the top right and we select the login button located right here. Let's select that. After we have been redirected to this web page, here you will need to log in to your Discord account, or if you don't have one, you can just register here at the bottom. I'll be back as soon as I log in. And after you log in, you can either log in manually using your email and password or the QR code that you saw on the right. Now that we are inside of the application, we can select any of the servers that we have on our left and go over to any of the channels in that server. To scroll in this section right here, you will need to use your right analog. Then let's, for example, find some chatting. Let's go into general chat right here. Let's select that. Now that you're inside of that channel or chat that you just chose, you press the text box at the bottom. You select it by pressing the X button on your controller. Then you write a certain message, for example. And after you're done and want to send that message, you scroll down and you select this button right here. Let's select that. And as you can see, I just sent that message into this channel. We select it by pressing the X button on our controller, and this pop-up menu will show up where we can leave the server, we can mute the server, or we can invite other people, we can change the notification and privacy settings. So basically that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.